The rectum and the anal canal form a part of the digestive system running from the mouth to the anus. The rectum is almost the last portion of the large intestine. The anus is the opening of the rectum on the body surface. At times, a person experiences bleeding from the bowels. This is a cause for concern. Homeopathy provides excellent remedies. In cases of debilitated constitutions, weak persons, bleeding from the bowels requires Carbo-Veg 200. In cases of dysentery with mucus, blood and tenesmus, Merck Core 30 is an excellent remedy. When the flow of blood is bright and red from hemorrhoids or otherwise, give Milefolium 30. In case the hemorrhage from bowels is bright red, blood comes in large quantity, nitric acid 200 is helpful. In cases of chronic diarrhea with blood and mucus, Trillium 30, TRILLIUM 30 comes handy. The flow of almost pure blood as a part of dysentery occurs. The bleeding causes dizziness. Now this is a leading indication for this medicine. Some people experience burning in the rectum. When there is sensation of a coal fire burning in the rectum, there are hot needles in hemorrhoids, there is pain with pressure in rectum and anus, give arsenic 200 and get relief. In cases of dysentery with tenesmus and burning, the stool is hot and slimy, tenesmus is not relieved by stool, Merck Core 30 comes in. An excellent remedy for anal fissures which are on fire, for oozing anus, rectum feels full of broken glass and burns for hours afterwards, the motion. Give Ratania 30, RATANHIA 30. For itching, burning and redness around anus, sulfur 200 comes in. These are excellent remedies. Listen to this video carefully and choose wisely. You would get relief. Thank you for listening to me and visiting this site.